the music, come up. You know what I'm saying? Self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? We're going up here to push a single, you know what I'm saying? We don't know what our hot single gonna be, so we're gonna let the people choose. Smoking on that good loud. This is the basis. We on our way to the top, you know what I'm saying? From the bottom to the top. And we really doing this shit on this, you know what I'm saying? Just showing y'all, we real street niggas. We real hood niggas. Ain't never been spoon fed. You know what I'm saying? Hands out, nothing. But anyway, we gonna get back at y'all.
I hop up out that motherfucking white ghost. Them suckers mad, I'm like, fuck them, huh? Adios. 30 racks in my pocket, 30 racks in my jeans, 30 racks in my pocket. Top back without lean, yes sir. I hop up out that motherfucking white ghost. Them suckers mad, I'm like, fuck them, huh? Adios. 30 racks in my pocket, 30 racks in my jeans, 30 racks in my pocket.
Cash.
Top back without lean, yes sir.
Dodging haters like bullets, but I'm not Max Payne. Made it through the struggle, I bubbled, then left a shit stain. Stuck up in the middle of a
tell where we just came from, Mac Mo.
Niggas didn't show me no love, but I bet they bitch came. It don't make you real, cause you say that you doing real things. Only thing real about you is that you're real lame. Mama said I want a million until the bills came. Turned a little nothing into something. A real man.
Yesterday I fucked up though, cause I got the hot meal before the head, but it all came together. Hey, videotape this shit, cause I barely can get out. You see this shit? How they expect the nigga to get out this shit, man? You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'm chilling in my camo, flipping through the channel. On my good music shit, my logo's a Lambo, 4 doors of ammo. This ammunition I'm pitching to make your body switch another position and listen my weed loud. Bucker and speed off, telling my bare arms I'm cutting my sleeves off, letting my tat show. And I sag my pants, I'm letting my ass show. I'm hot as Tabasco, I studied Castro.
And we on the way to the top.
Just us, nigga.
I forgot to put
they want to know where we was going. Damn, man.
Us, nigga.
That's fucked up, man. Damn, they ain't got no parking spots. You know this a hood store, my nigga.
We ain't got no parking spot.
They ain't got parking spots in this motherfucker. This a hood store, my nigga. Food, clothes, cold beer, and accessories, nigga. They selling shoes and shit in this motherfucker.
Earrings.
Where we at? Fair Park Grocery.
Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get me a Rello, pack of cigarettes. Hey, follow me in here right quick, man. Come on, man.
Scott Styles Beats.
My team count money till we get them paper cuts. We got our money up, nigga, get your money up. My team count money till we get them paper cuts. We got our money up, nigga.
Size 9?
$35?
35?
Yeah.
What's one? No, I just got some from the other store down the street for 50. What's happening? You know what I'm saying? We finna eat this good old cheddar one time. You know what I'm saying?
Baking cookies. You ain't doing nothing, nigga. You a fucking rookie. We counting all the money till we get them paper cuts. My niggas bout that money. We just trying to get them bucks. Fuck being stuck. I'm in a rush. I'm trying to get some money, nigga. I don't give a fuck.